Jai Gurudev children, today we are going to start third chapter from Unit 7 Mountaineering. It is Bachendri Paul. In this chapter we are going to study about Bachendri Paul's early life, her career and her contribution in corporate workforce. So let's start. Bachendri Paul earned a coveted place for herself in Indian society by becoming the first Indian woman to summit the Mount Everest, the highest mountain peak in the world. A free-willing, fearless and adventure-loving girl, Bachendri always dreamt of being a mountaineer. By dint of her hard work and sheer determination, Bachendri Paul created history when she successfully summited the Everest, thereby becoming the first Indian woman to achieve the big feat. An exemplary public figure and a noted mountaineer, Bachendri Paul is revered as an icon for all aspiring mountain climbers. By her extraordinary fate, it is FEAT only, Bachendri Paul proved that a woman could foray into any field and become successful given she has enough sensibility and determination to work towards it. Currently, Bachendri Paul is employed with Tata Steel, where she conducts high-altitude training workshops for the corporate workforce. Apart from this, Bachendri Paul also works as an active guide, training women in mountaineering and river rafting. Explore this biography to know more about the early life, career profile and achievements of Bachendri Paul. So next is early life. Bachendri Paul was born in May 24, 1954 in a village called Nakudi in Garhwal to parents Shri Kishan Singh Paul and Srimati Hansa Devi. Her father was a border tradesman who supplied groceries from India to Tibet. From her early childhood, Bachendri Paul was a strong-spirited child, full of zip, and excelled in both academics and sports. It was at the initiation of her school principal that she was sent to college for higher studies. There she actively participated in sports and even bagged a gold medal in rifle shooting. Bachendri Paul went on to become the first girl to graduate from her village. Later on, she completed her MA in Sanskrit and then went on to complete her B.Ed. Driven by her passion for adventure, she enrolled in the Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, which opened a whole slew of avenues for her. Career. Bachendri Paul got her first taste of mountaineering thrill while still at school at the age of 12, when she along with her friends scaled a 4,038-meter high peak during a school picnic. In 1982, during her course at Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, she got the chance to mount Gangotri 1 and Rudugadia. It was during this time she got the job of an instructor at the National Adventure Foundation, an adventure school for women mountaineers. Soon after the completion of her mountaineering course, she got the chance to join the 4th expedition team headed for India's Mount Everest mission, the Everest 84. She, along with her team members, commenced their climb on May 1984. However, a sudden landslide at Lhotse Glacier left her and her team members injured. However, Bachendri Paul remained undeterred and continued her climb until she reached the peak of the Everest on 23rd May 1984 at 1:07 p.m., thereby becoming the first Indian woman in the world to climb the Mount Everest. Presently, she is working as a Chief of Adventure Programs of Tata Steel Adventure Foundation of Tata Group. There she gives training to the management teams to bolster up their team spirit by teaching them skills to survive in challenging situations. Awards and accolades. Bachendri Paul had bagged several awards and recognitions during her mountaineering career. In 1984, she received the first CSR gold medal, closely followed by a Padma Shri in 1985 and the Arjuna Award in the year 1986. In 1990, her name was listed in the Guinness Book of World Records for being the first Indian woman to summit the Mount Everest. She received the National Adventure Award in 1994 and a prestigious Yash Bharti Award from the Uttar Pradesh government in 1995. In 1997, she received the honorary D.Litt from the University of Garhwal and was also honored with the prestigious Mahila Shiromani Award. It was in this year that her name entered the Limca Book of Records. Contribution. Apart from training corporate and scaling great heights, Bachendri Paul has made significant contribution in training women in mountaineering and river rafting. In 1985, Bachendri Paul led an Indo-Nepalese Everest expedition women's team. This expedition made seven world records and created a benchmark in Indian mountaineering. In 1993, she organized the Indo-Nepalese Women Everest Expedition, and in 1994, she took part in the River Ganga rafting expedition from Haridwar to Kolkata. She also led the first Indian woman Trans-Himalayan expedition, including 8 women covering 4,500 km trek via Siachen Glacier. Now here are some hard words with their meanings. First is coveted. Coveted means desired, something you want, something you desire. Next is dint. Dint means below. With a dint of hard work, Bachendri Paul acquired a coveted place. Next, sheer with force. Like we say sheer efforts. With sheer efforts you can achieve anything. Revered. Revered means respected. Foray, raid into. To enter some place with force. That is foray. Zip, energy. Bachendri Paul was full of zip. She was full of energy. Scaled, mounted, climbed. Bolster up, motivated. Like junior are motivated by or bolster up by the senior ones. Avenues, income. Created a benchmark, created history. Once again, coveted, desired, dint, blow or strike, sheer, with force, with efforts, too much efforts, revered, respected or honored, raid into. Zip, energy, scaled, mounted, bolster up, motivate or encourage, avenues, income or source of income, created a benchmark, created history. Now explanation. The first paragraph is a sort of introduction to Bachendri Paul. Bachendri Paul has acquired a much desired place with her sheer efforts and strong willpower. She registered her name as the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. According to her, nothing is impossible for women. They can showcase their prowess in any field they like, provided they have iron will and set headlong to achieve their goal. At present, Bachendri Paul is working with Tata Steel, where she conducts in-service training program and equip women with mountaineering skills. In the second paragraph, we have been told that she was born in May 24, 1954 in a village named Nakudi in Garhwal to Shri Kishan Singh Pal and Srimati Hansa Devi. Since her early childhood, she was vibrant and strong-spirited child. She was brilliant both in academics and sports. Her principal recognized her impulse and sent her to college for higher studies. She bagged gold medal in rifle shooting. She was the first woman to graduate from her village. She did MA in Sanskrit and B.Ed later on. She admitted herself in Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, which opened a barrage of opportunities for her. In the next paragraph, Bachendri Paul, at the age of 12, first attempted to scale 4,038 meter high peak during a school picnic. In 1982, she got a chance to mount Gangotri and Rutugalia. After the completion of course, she joined India's Mount Everest mission, the Everest 84, which she successfully accomplished on 23rd May 1984 at 1:07 p.m. after facing lots of challenges during her trek to mountain and later intense eye pain on her way back to downhill. She clinched many awards in 1984 CSR Gold Medal, closely followed by Padma Shri in 1985, Arjuna Award in 1986. In 1990, her name was listed in Guinness Book of World Records. She received honorary Doctor of D.Lit means Doctor of Literature from the University of Garhwal, and her name entered in the Limca Book of Records. Later on, apart from this, she led an Indo-Nepalese Everest expedition women's team, which was a history in Indian mountaineering. In 1993, she organized Indo-Nepalese Women Everest expedition, and in 1994, she participated in River Ganga rafting expedition from Haridwar to Kolkata. This is the timeline of her achievements. Go through them, keep them in mind. It may help you in some competitive exam.